Hello there, lovely people. What's up and how you all are doing? So, this is KP Styles, and welcome back to my channel. So, as I have seen that you guys loved my, that top 15 nude lipsticks video. So, here I am back again with another lipstick video. So, today I would be sharing top 5 lipsticks, not nude, lipsticks, which would be, suiting every skin tone. If you have obviously an Indian skin tone, it would be suiting all the Indian skin tones. So if you want to know what all these lipsticks are, so please keep on watching, and before going to the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram. So without wasting any further time, let's get rolling. First lipstick I would be talking here about is this Nykaa So Matte lipstick, and it is in the shade Top Thrill. So this is the bigger version. You get mini ones too in the Nykaa. So its price is 299 rupees, basically 300 rupees. So it's an amazing shade. Like, let me just show you its swatch. Just look at it. And yes, I would be showing hand swatches as well as lip swatches. Okay, so as you can see, its color, it's like nude, brown nude shade, and the best part about this lipstick is it suits all the skin tone. If I talk about the finish, it gives you like a semi matte finish, as you guys can see. So it's a semi matte lipstick, not completely matte. It suits all the skin tones. It stays on your lips for like good 3 to 4 hours. If you're not eating something oily, obviously if you're eating something oily or drinking water, it may get transfers a little bit, but otherwise it's an amazing lipstick. Yeah, so this is the lipstick. You can also must be seeing the lip swatch on the screen. Okay, so the next lipstick I'm going to talk about is this I Amsterdam liquid lipstick, and my shade in it is Early Glory. So I have used this lipstick in my last video, and a lot of people asked me the shade of this one. So this is Early Glory 8. Let me just show you the swatch. Can you see? Like, it's not completely red, it's not completely pink, it's in between. Like, it's an amazing rusty pink red. I don't know what the color is, but it really looks amazing. So if you have like a fair or beige skin tone like me, so this lipstick can be a very popping color for you, but at the same time it looks good on your lips. And if you are having a really dark skin tone, so this can be a nude lipstick for you as well, like nude pink or nude mauve shade. So its price is 150 rupees. Like, it's super affordable. You can get this lipstick on purple.com. So there must be some kind of offer going on, so maybe you can get it under 150 rupees as well. So I am having this one, and it is about to get finished, but I am going to reorder it really soon as it gets finished. So yeah, as you can see, this is the color, and like completely matte. It stays on your lips for good 6 to 7 hours, and even if you're drinking water, it does not get transferred at all. It's completely transfer proof. And even if you are eating something oily, if you are careful while eating, maybe it does not get transferred. It's a good purchase, you can buy it. So the third lipstick I'm going to talk about, I showed this lipstick in my top 15 nude lipsticks as well. Like, you can guess that I completely love this lipstick. So this is the CV3 soft matte lip cream, and it is in the shade Flirt. So it looks something like this. Like, it's a purple shade, not completely purple, a pink purpley kind of shade. So its price is 250 rupees. The shade is Flirt, 03 Flirt. You can get this lipstick on Cuffs and Lashes or Amazon, or I would be adding the screenshot on the screen. So if I talk about this particular lipstick, it's a lip cream. It's not a matte lipstick. It is a lip cream, so likewise it has the consistency of a cream. It's not completely matte. As you can see, it takes some time to get completely matte. It is getting transferred as of now. Later on, when it sets on, it does not get transferred, and it gives you like a really pretty glossy kind of look on your lips, and every skin tone can use color. And also, it's really lightweight on your lips, so it is not going to feel like heavy. If you think that if you'll apply it 2 to 3 times you will feel heavy on your lips, but no, it's really lightweight. You can go for this one. Okay, so the fourth lipstick is from Teens by Makeover, and my shade in it is 10 Cupid. So it is my recent purchase, and I am in love with the color of this lipstick. Like, take a look. It's a cherry red kind of color. If you are having a fair skin tone, this can be your party color. Yeah, if you want to go for parties, if you are going for a wedding function or something, you want something really bright on your lips, this can be it. And if you are having a dark skin tone, this can be, you know, a nudish mauve color for you, and it will look really good on every skin tone. So its price is 150 rupees. It gives you a matte finish. Like when I bought this, you know, you have a thing in your mind that if it is a bullet lipstick, it is not going to be completely matte. But as soon as you apply it on your lips, it gives you completely matte. Also written on it that after application, leave it for 2 minutes before touching, so that, you know, it gets set on completely and you do not ruin your lips. You need to, you know, leave it for 2 minutes, then touch it. So yeah, you can go for this one. It is a matte lipstick, and it's a must try. You should give this lipstick a try. So the last lipstick I would be talking about in this video is from Huda Beauty, and my shade is Video Star. So its price is 1,825 rupees. So it's like a, you know, bright pink shade. Like, look at the shade, that Barbie pink kind of shade. It's like that. I just love the shade. Okay, so this gives you, obviously, it's Huda Beauty, and it is going to give you a matte finish. So it do gives you a matte finish, and as we have talked about the shade, it is in the shade Video Star. So it stays on your lips for good 6 to 7 hours, and it does not get transfers at all. Yeah, this is a lipstick, and it suits like kind of fair, british and medium skin tone. I don't know about dark skin tones because it can, you know, wash dark skin out a little bit, but fair to medium dark, this lipstick will suit all the shades. So yeah, that is my video, guys. I hope you would have liked it, and if you do not forget to give my video a thumbs up and share with your friends. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.